Jiyanimni siz o'ldirgansiz deyishganda ishonmagandim.
Cholga ko'z quloq bo'ptir. Qayerga boryapti, nima qilyapti, kim bilan uchrashyapti, hammasini menga yozibdir.
Meni xotinchi? Ha. Gap yo'q, rosa chaqqon.
Kim bor? Rustam aka, ahvolingizni qarang, Rustam aka.
Nima qilibdi ahvolimga?
Men sizni birinchi marta bu ahvolda ko'rishim. Kimlar bilan o'rtoqchilik qilyapsiz?
Ha, aytmadingmi? Hamma ishni chuvalashtirgan menman. O'zim pishirgan oshni o'zim yeyman deb aytmadingmi?
Menga yaxshi bir o'zim yeydigan ovqat qilib kelsin.
Yemayotgan ovqatlaringizni axlatga tashlavormang.
Qizingizni ko'z yoshi oqmaydi deb va'da bergandingiz.
İçinden rosa pişken yigit ekan edingan.
Kambag'aldan chiqqanda endi.
Siz izlagan barcha ko'rsatuv va seriallarning to'liq qismlari endi Sevimli YouTube sahifasida. Premyeralarni birinchilardan ko'rib boring. Obuna bo'ling va qo'ng'iroqchani bosib, hech bir qismni o'tkazib yubormang.
Dada, menga ham biror narsa ochib bering.
Qo'y. Edin baribir seni ishlatmaydi.
Ishlatadi. Go'zallik saloni ochib bersangiz, mazza qilib ishlayman. O'zim yurg'izardim.
Ering o'tib ketgan rashkchi bo'lsa, seni ishlatarmikin?
Meni o'zim ko'ndirib olaman. Siz xavotir olmang.
Mayli. Agar ko'ndirsang ochib beraman.
Men ham bir biznes lady bo'lib yuray.
Mayli. Shunaqa qilib yur. Boshqalardan nima kaming bor? Kimsan? Rahmatboyning qizisan.
Shuni ayting. Uyda tozalab o'tirish jonimga tegdi. O'zim uchun yashashim kerak-ku.
Ha.
Kiring. Nimaga keldingiz?
Meni malikam kasal bo'lib qopti deb eshitdim.
Birinchidan, sizni malikangiz emasman. Ikkinchidan, tez yetkazishibdi.
Yaxshi eshitaman. Bir paytlari malikamidingiz. Malikam deb chaqiringdirdingiz.
Yosh edim. Ko'p narsani tushunmasdim. Muddaoga o'ting.
Rostdan ham kasalmisan?
Sizga nima?
Menga qara. Meni mol-mulkimni qachon qaytarasan?
Men sizdan hech narsa olmaganmi?
Yo'q.
Hech qachon hech narsa qaytarib bermayman. Nimaiki bergan bo'lsangiz, hammasini o'zingiz bergansiz. Zo'rlab olmaganman. Jonim, sevaman, o'laman. Senga uni sovg'a qilaman, buni sovg'a qilaman deb o'zingiz bergansiz.
Yaxshi. Unda men ham shuna qilaman. O'zing qanaqa qilib qaytarib berganingni o'zing ham bilmay qolasan.
Bilganingizni qiling. Meni ko'zimga umuman ko'rinmang.
Lekin buni iloji yo'q. Men narsalarimni qaytarib olmaganimcha qayta kelaveraman. Xullas, sendaqa firibgarga beradigan narsam yo'q. Undan ko'ra birorta yo'qsilga bersam, ancha savob bo'ladi.
Shunaqa erkaklarni tushunmayman-da. O'zinglar qo'shqo'llab berasizlar, sovg'a qilasizlar. Boshinglar aylanadi, sevaman, o'laman. Keyin yana qaytarib olishga harakat qilasizlar. Sizdan qo'rqmayman.
Yo'q,
Xohlaganingizni qiling.
bekor qilasan. Qo'rqqaning yaxshi edi. Ering bilib qolsa, nima qilasan?
Bilsa bilaversin. Xohlasangiz hozir chiqib ayting.
Yo'q,
U ham xuddi sizga o'xshab, sevdim, o'ldim, kuydim deb hamma narsasini sovg'a qilyapti. Men hech narsa talab qilayotganim yo'q.
zo'rsan.
Nima bo'lganda ham buni hammasi meni muammoyim.
Bu iblisning urg'achisi hech narsadan qo'rqmaydi. Hech narsadan tap tortmaydi. Nima qilsam bo'lar ekan?
Gapingiz tugadimi?
Nima edi?
Chiqib keting, damamoqchiman.
Charchadingizmi? Ha, seni yolg'onlaring ko'p. Sen yolg'onlaring ichida yashaysan. Qani ko'ramiz? Mana shu yolg'onlaring bilan qayergacha borar ekansan?
Havas qilyapsizmi?
Mena senga achinyapman.
Sizdan uzoqqa boraman. Bu aniq.
Ko'ramiz.
Chiqib keting.
Mayli. Yolg'onda ham kasal bo'lsang ham tuzalib ket. Men hali yana qayta kelaman. Men albatta seni ko'rgani kelaman. Malikam,
Rahmat.
omon bo'l.
Sodiq Turg'unovich, men qaynotani topdim.
Xo'sh, qayerdan topding?
Qibrayda choyxonasi bor ekan. Ko'pincha shu yerda bo'lar ekan.
Oldingi qibrozlarni choyxonasimi?
Bilmayman.
Kechqurunga o'tamiz. Dargalib ko'rib turgan, tushundingmi?
Xo'p bo'ladi.
Bor. Qani ko'raylikchi. Kim ekan bu qaynotasi? Afzal boyvachchanim. Nazokat bo'lgan deydi. Choy damlab berardim. Shu choyni ichmasam negadir mazam qochadigan bo'lganda yomon o'rgatib qo'ydi.
Assalomu alaykum aya.
Va alaykum assalom.
Yaxshi o'tiribsizmi?
Keldinglarmi?
Ha, keldik.
Ha,
O'zing
keldik.
yaxshimisan?
Yaxshi.
Mayli, bor, kelinga qarash.
Kelin o'zi qani?
Olib keldik. Faqat shart qo'yishdi.
Nima deyishdi?
Ertadan boshlab Nozima, Farhod alohida yashashadi.
Tushunmadim. Alohida yashaydi? Siz shunga ko'nib keldingizmi?
Boshqa chora bormi?
Chol qayerda?
Anu Jahongir bilan qanaqadir choyxonaga borishar ekan. Menga javob berib yubordi.
Qanaqa choyxona?
Men qayerdan bilaman? Meni olib bormadi. Demak, men bilishim kerak bo'lmagan birorta ish bor.
Mayli, bilganini qilsin. Senga ish bor.
Oyi, kriminal bo'lsa aralashmayman.
G'aybullani qo'rqitib qo'yish kerak. Juda haddidan oshyapti.
Men aralashmayman, lekin odam topib berishim mumkin.
Yo'q. O'zing qilasan. Pulingni olasan. Afzal bilan qurilishda ishlayapti. Boshiga g'isht tushib ketsa yetadi.
Men bu qaroringizga rozi emasman. Nega endi yakka yagona o'g'lim mendan uzoqda yashash kerak?
Agar tilingni tiyib yurganingda shunaqa bo'lmasdi. Kelin bilan chiqish olmayotganmiding? Demak, shunisi ma'qul. Ikkaloving ham tinchiysan.
Men nima qildim, a? Nuqul men aybdorman, a? Boshdan tegirmon yurg'izdimmi? Nima qildim, ayting?
Seni aybing yo'q. Oppoqsan.
Oppoqman.
Qudalaring shu shartni qo'ydi. Men rozi bo'ldim. O'ylab qarasam, mana shu narsa tinch ekan.
Xo'sh. Endi meni dilimni ortib chiqib ketishadimi? Iloyim kelinidan qaytsin. Bitta bolamni mendan ayiradigan bo'lsa, o'zini ham boshiga tushsin. Vijdonsizlar.
Xo'p. Men rozi bo'ldim ham deylik. Qurilishga qana qilib kirib boraman, oyi?
O'zing kirma. Birontasi bilan gaplashasan. Baxtsiz hodisani uyushtirib berasan.
Oyi, tekinga qilmaydi hech kim.
Pulini beraman. Agar cholga borib valdirab qo'ysa, hammasi fosh bo'ladi. Vaqtida yopti bor. Qancha so'rasa beraman. O'lishi shart emas. Tildan qolsin. Gapira olmasa yana ham yaxshi bo'ladi. Tanish qidirib ko'r, kimdir topiladi.
Undan ko'ra, qurilishga o'zimizni odamni kirgizsak-chi, oyi?
Pulni eshitishing bilan kallang ishlab qoladi.
O'zim masalani hal qilaman, oyijon.
Mashinani kaltini tashab ket. Zerikdim, aylanib kelaman.
Xo'p bo'ladi, xo'p.
Ketdik.
Uyatsizlar. Endi bolamni rohatini ko'raman deganimda, bag'rimdan bolamni yulib olib ketadimi, a? Nimasi bu?
Juda oshirib yubormadingmi?
Nimaga oshiraman?
Esingdami bundan 23 yil avvalgi voqealar?
Esimda yo'q. Oxirgi payt shunaqa esarroq bo'lib qolganman. Bir eslatib oling, nima bo'lgan ekan?
Meni esimda. Juda yaxshi esimda. Men ham bitta o'g'il edim. Sen ham alohida yashaymiz deb turib olganding. Oyim boshida yig'lagandilar. Keyin esa indamay qo'ydilar.
Men unda majbur bo'lganman. Eslaysiz, a? Yaxshigina eslaysiz.
Sen ham meni xuddi shunaqa qilib olib chiqib ketgansan. Buni qaytar dunyo deyishadi.
Unda meni ahvolim og'ir edi.
Oyimni yig'laganlarini ko'rganmiding?
Ko'rmaganman.
Senga ko'rsatmaganlar. Chunki juda kuchli ayol edilar. Lekin men ko'rganman.
Ha, qizim, yaxshimisiz? Nima bo'ldi? Kayfiyatingiz yo'q.
Shifokoram hayron. Ketma-ket ikkinchi farzandim nobud bo'ldi. Nima qilaman endi?
O'zidan o'zi nobud bo'lmas. Biror bir sababi bordir.
Oyi, hamma analizlarim yaxshi chiqqan.
Yoki eskishidanmikina?
Onam Kinachini uyiga borganlarida mana shu uyda gap joyni o'zgartirgan dedilar. Keyin bir qo'shnimiz bor. O'sha kelinning ham farzandi bo'lmayotganda, ular uyni almashtirishganda farzandli bo'lishdi.
Unaqa bo'lsa, mana meni xonamga ko'ching.
Oyi, sizni xonangizda-chi havo yo'q. Yuragim siqiladi, tinmay boshim og'riydi. Bo'lmaydi, oyi, sizni xonangiz bo'lmaydi. Umuman boshqa hovliga chiqib ketaylik.
Men boshqa hovliga ko'cha olmayman. O'zimni uyimga o'rganganman.
Bo'lmasam biz ko'chamiz.
Yo'q. Rasuljon ko'nmasa kerak. U meni tashlab keta olmaydi.
Agar bola kerak bo'lsa, meni yaxshi ko'rsalar, oilani saqlab qolish uchun ko'nadilar. Oyjon, biz bolali bo'lgandan keyin qaytib kelamiz.
Bilganinglarni qilinglar.
Seni esing joyidami? O'ylab gapiryapsanmi?
Ketdi hammasi.
Nima qildi deysan?
Oyjonga tushuntirdim, uyni almashtiraylik dedim. Ketaman deyapman, siz ko'nmayapsiz.
Qayoqqa ketasan? O'ylab gapir.
Farzandli bo'lishni xohlasangiz, alohida chiqib ketishimiz kerak. Gap tamom, vassalom.
Bu nima deganing? Esing joyidami? Qanaqa qilib oyimni o'zlarini tashlab chiqib ketaman?
Hech qachon meni gapimga quloq solmaysiz.
Ozgina sabr qilsak biror narsa bo'lib qolasanmi?
Ketdi hammasi.
Nima joningga tegdi, ha?
Bo'ldi,
Nima joningga
ketaman
tegdi?
bo'lmasam.
Qayoqqa ketasan? O'ylab gapir.
Oyjon bilan o'zingiz yashang.
Esing joyidami?
O'zingni boshingga ham shu kunlar keldimi? O'shanda onam ancha qarib qolgandilar.
Men farzandli bo'lishimiz uchun harakat qilganman.
Bolali bo'lganimizdan keyin ham qaytmading-ku. Necha marta aytdim. Yur, onam uyiga ko'chamiz desam, yo'q. U yerda sharoit yo'q, chidolmayman degan kim?
Men. Lekin biz chiqib ketsak oyimga qiyin bo'ladi deb o'ylamaganman. Yosh bo'lganman. Hozir o'zimni boshimga tushgandan keyin shu narsalarni his qilyapman.
Onam bechora o'shandan keyin ko'pga bormadilar. Farhod 6 oyligida o'tib ketdilar. Balkim yonlarida bo'lganimda hanuzgacha yashayotgan bo'larmidilar.
To'g'ri. O'shanda biz noto'g'ri qilganmiz. Tan olaman.
Sen hatto Farhodni tuzukroq olib bormagansan ham. Bor yo'g'i 2 marta borib duo qilganlar. Bolangni qizg'anib uyda olib o'tirarding.
Esizdami? O'sha paytda sariq kasal ko'p edi. Farhodni ehtiyot qilganman, yuqib qolmasin deganman, qo'rqganman.
Bahonang tayyor. Sen nima qilgan bo'lsang, keliningdan qaytishiga tayyor tur.
Ha, opa. Oyog'ingiz og'riyaptimi?
Zirqirab ketyapti.
Boshida menda ham shunaqa bo'lardi. Qo'llarim tortishib qolgan paytlari bo'lgan. Kechasi bilan zirqirab chiqardi.
Qora ish shunisi yomon-da. To'kilib ado bo'lasan.
Meni ham bolalarimni birortasi o'qimadi-da. Hozir bu yerda ishlab yurmasdim. Puli bola chaqasidan ortmaydi. Men ularga tayyor dastyorman.
Meni qizim Xudo xolasa maosh olsa, men bu yerda ishlamayman.
Baraka topsin qizingiz. Bir ham aqlli qizingiz.
Ancha yonimga kirib qoldi. Balkim keyingi oydan ishga chiqmasman. Shu oy amallab turing.
Iloyim chiqmang.
Assalomu alaykum.
Va alaykum
Yaxshimisiz oyijon?
Do you understand English but still hesitate to speak? Do you feel nervous when someone suddenly talks to you in English? Do you start translating in your mind and then get stuck? If this is happening with you, then don't worry. You are not alone. In this complete lesson, you will learn how to start speaking English from zero, how to practice daily, how to build confidence, and how to slowly move from basic to advanced level. Stay focused and follow every step carefully. First, let's understand the biggest truth. Your problem is not grammar. Your problem is not vocabulary. Your real problem is lack of speaking practice. Most learners spend months and even years reading English books. They watch videos. They memorize words. But they never speak. And because of this, when it is time to speak, their mind goes blank. Speaking is a skill. And every skill needs practice. You cannot learn swimming by watching videos. You cannot learn driving by reading books. In the same way, you cannot learn English speaking without speaking. So from today, make one promise to yourself. You will speak English daily, no matter how many mistakes you make. Now let's move to step 1. Step 1 is thinking in English. This is the foundation of fluency. If you always think in your native language and then translate into English, you will always feel slow and confused. So you must train your brain to think directly in English. Start with very simple thoughts. When you wake up, think, I am awake. I need to get up. I am feeling sleepy. When you go to the kitchen, think, I am drinking water. I am making tea. The food smells good. When you go outside, think, I am going to the market. The weather is hot today. There are many people here. Do not try to use difficult words. Keep everything simple. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. At first, it will feel strange. But slowly, your brain will adapt. After a few days, you will notice that you are thinking in English automatically. Now step 2. Start speaking daily without fear. Fear is the biggest enemy of learning. Many people think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? Listen carefully. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker you see today made hundreds of mistakes in the beginning. So stop worrying about mistakes. Start speaking in front of a mirror. Stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself. For example, hello, my name is Ahmed. Today I woke up at 8 in the morning. I had my breakfast. Now I am practicing English. Look at your face. Speak clearly. Use simple sentences. You can also record your voice. Take your phone, record yourself speaking for 1 or 2 minutes, then listen to it. You will notice your mistakes. You will notice your pronunciation. Then try again and improve. Now step 3. Learn daily use sentences instead of difficult grammar. Grammar is important, but in the beginning, focus more on speaking. Learn sentences that you can use in real life. For example, what are you doing? Where are you going? I am busy right now. I will talk to you later. Can you help me? Please wait for a moment. Let's go together. Repeat these sentences daily. Speak them again and again. Use them in your practice. If you learn just 5 sentences daily, in 1 month you will learn around 150 sentences. This will build your confidence. Now, step 4. Improve your listening. Listening is very important for speaking. If you listen more, you will speak better. Start watching simple English videos. Do not choose difficult content. Choose slow and clear speakers. Listen carefully to their pronunciation. Listen to how they form sentences. Now use the shadowing technique. Play a sentence. Pause the video. Repeat the same sentence. Try to copy their tone and speed. For example, they say, I am going to the store. You pause and repeat. I am going to the store. Do this daily for 10 minutes. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency. Now, step 5. Start upgrading your English. Once you are comfortable with basic speaking, start replacing simple words with better words. For example, instead of saying, I am very happy, say, I am delighted. Instead of saying, I am very tired, say, I am exhausted. Instead of saying, this is very big, say, this is massive. Instead of saying, this is very good, say, this is excellent. Instead of saying, I am very hungry, say, I am starving. These small changes make your English sound more advanced and professional. But remember, do not rush. First, become comfortable with basic sentences. Now, step 6. Build a daily routine. Without consistency, you cannot improve. Follow this simple routine every day. 5 minutes thinking in English. 10 minutes speaking practice. 10 minutes learning sentences. 10 minutes listening practice. This is only 35 minutes daily. Anyone can do this. If you follow this routine for 30 days, you will see clear improvement. If you continue for 3 months, your confidence will increase a lot. Now let's talk about common mistakes. First mistake is fear of speaking. If you do not speak, you will never improve. Second mistake is focusing too much on grammar. Grammar is important, but communication is more important. Third mistake is not practicing daily. Consistency is the key. Fourth mistake is learning but not using. If you do not use what you learn, you will forget it. Fifth mistake is comparing yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Now let's do a practice session together. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Again. I am learning English. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Now speak with confidence. Now let's create a small daily conversation. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am practicing English. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my communication. That's great. Keep practicing. Now let's build a slightly longer conversation. Hello, where are you going? I am going to the market. What will you buy? I will buy some fruits and vegetables. That sounds good. Yes, I like healthy food. This is how conversations are built. Start small. Then slowly increase your level. Now imagine your progress. After 1 week, you can speak simple sentences. After 1 month, you can have basic conversations. After 3 months, you can speak with confidence. This is possible only if you practice daily. Remember one important thing. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly and confidently. Take time. Speak slowly. but speak correctly. And most importantly, never give up. There will be days when you feel stuck. There will be days when you feel you are not improving. But keep going. Every day you practice, you are getting better. One day, you will realize that you are speaking English naturally. So start today. Start now. Speak without fear. Practice daily. And you will definitely become fluent in English. Now let's go one level deeper and understand how to stay consistent for a long time. Many learners start with full motivation, but after a few days, they stop practicing. Why does this happen? Because they depend on motivation instead of discipline. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving. So create a fixed time for your English practice. It can be morning or night, but it should be the same time every day. Even if you don't feel like practicing, still do it for at least 10 minutes. This habit will build your consistency. Another important tip is to use English in your daily life. Change your mobile language to English. Read small messages in English. Write short notes in English. Try to describe your day in English before sleeping. For example, today was a busy day. I worked a lot. I learned something new. This simple habit will improve your fluency very fast. Also, try to find a speaking partner if possible. If you don't have a partner, don't worry. You can still practice alone. Talk to yourself. Ask questions and answer them. For example, what did I do today? I woke up early and studied English. This method is very effective. Another powerful technique is repetition. Repeat the same sentences again and again until they become natural. When something becomes natural, you don't need to think before speaking. And that is called fluency. So keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep improving. Do you want to speak English confidently but always feel stuck? Do you understand English when you listen but cannot reply properly? Do you feel nervous, confused, or blank when it's your turn to speak? If yes, then this complete lesson will help you step by step. Today, you will learn a simple and practical system to improve your English speaking from basic to confident level. This is not theory. This is a real method that works if you follow it daily. So stay focused and listen carefully. First, understand one important truth. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is about speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally. Many learners think fluent speakers talk very fast. But in reality, fluent speakers talk clearly and comfortably. If you try to speak fast in the beginning, you will make more mistakes. So slow down and focus on clarity. Now let's start with step 1. Build your English environment. If you are not living in an English-speaking country, then you must create your own environment. Start bringing English into your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Read simple captions and posts in English. Watch short English videos every day. Even if you understand only half, it is okay. Your brain will slowly start learning patterns. Step 2. Start speaking with very small sentences. Do not try to speak long or perfect sentences in the beginning. That will only confuse you. Start simple. I am ready. I am busy. I am learning. I feel good. These sentences are easy, but they build your confidence. When your confidence grows, your speaking improves automatically. Step 3. Use the question and answer method. This is one of the best techniques for beginners. Ask yourself questions and answer them in English. What is your name? My name is Ali. What are you doing? I am practicing English. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my communication. This method trains your brain to think and respond quickly. Step 4. Daily topic speaking practice. Choose one topic every day and speak about it for 2 to 3 minutes. For example, Your daily routine. Your favorite food. Your best friend. Your job or studies. Speak whatever you can. Do not stop. Do not worry about mistakes. If you forget words, use simple words. This practice builds fluency very fast. Step 5. Learn connectors. Connectors help you join sentences and speak more smoothly. Some basic connectors are and, but, because. So, use them in your sentences. I am tired, but I will work. I am learning English because I want to improve. I am busy, so I will call you later. This makes your speaking more natural. Step 6. Improve your listening skills. Listening is very important for speaking. If you listen carefully, you will automatically improve your speaking style. Watch simple English videos. Listen to how people speak. Pause and repeat their sentences. For example, they say, I am going to the store. You repeat, I am going to the store. Try to copy their pronunciation and tone. This method is called shadowing. It is very powerful. Step 7. Stop translating in your mind. This is a big problem for many learners. When you translate, you become slow. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I am eating food. I am going outside. I feel happy today. Do this daily for a few minutes. Slowly, your brain will stop translating. Step 8. Use repetition. Repetition is the key to fluency. Repeat the same sentences again and again until they feel natural. For example, I am learning English. Repeat it 5 to 10 times. When something becomes natural, you don't need to think. That is fluency. Step 9. Upgrade your vocabulary slowly. Do not try to learn hundreds of words at once. Learn a few useful words daily and use them in sentences. For example, instead of very happy, say delighted. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very big, say massive. Instead of very good, say excellent. Use these words in your daily speaking practice. Step 10. Build a daily routine. Without routine, you cannot improve. Follow this simple plan. 5 minutes thinking in English. 10 minutes speaking practice. 10 minutes listening practice. 5 minutes learning new sentences. This is only 30 minutes daily. If you follow this for 30 days, you will see clear improvement. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence is built through action. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Do not wait to feel confident before speaking. Start speaking, and confidence will come automatically. Now let's do a practice together. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am confident. I am improving every day. Again. I can speak English. I am confident. I am improving every day. Now let's create a conversation. Hello, how are you? I am fine. What are you doing? I am practicing English. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my communication skills. That's great. Keep practicing. Now let's create a longer speaking example. Today I woke up early. I brushed my teeth and had breakfast. After that, I started my work. In the evening, I practiced English. I also watched an English video and learned new sentences. This is how you can describe your day. Now let's talk about consistency. Consistency is the most important factor. If you practice one day and skip the next 2 days, your progress will stop. Practice daily, even if it is for 10 minutes. Small daily effort creates big results. Now let's talk about mistakes. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. If you avoid speaking because of fear, you will never improve. So speak freely and learn from your errors. Now imagine your progress. After 1 week, you will feel more comfortable. After 1 month, you will speak better. After 3 months, you will speak confidently. This is possible if you stay consistent. Now let's go one step deeper. To become really fluent, you must use English in real situations. Try to speak with friends in English. Join online speaking groups if possible. If you don't have anyone, speak alone. Talk about your day. Ask questions and answer them yourself. For example, what did I do today? I woke up early and practiced English. This builds real speaking ability. Another powerful technique is self-correction. When you speak and notice a mistake, correct it immediately. For example, I go to market. Then correct. I went to the market. This helps you improve faster. Also, be patient. Learning English is a journey. Do not expect instant results. Give yourself time. Stay consistent. Final message. Start small. Speak daily. Think in English. Practice without fear. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start now. You have the ability to speak English. You just need practice, patience, and consistency. Keep going. Keep improving. And one day, you will speak English confidently and naturally without fear.